How to download emails from Gmail. You might choose to make a backup or some important emails. If you intend to delete all of the account's emails, or if you need to connect the email to another email provider, you can download the emails from Gmail. How do you download emails from Gmail? The ability to download emails from emails is not presently available on Google's mobile app. Therefore, you must set your phone down and use a desktop computer to access your Gmail account. Open the browser and go to mail.google.com. Find and open the email that you want to download. Next, click the More link, which is represented by the 3 vertical dots on the far right. One of the choices will read Download Message there. Choose that. The EML file will then download to your computer. Repeat this procedure for each email you want to download if you have more than one. This is how you download emails from Gmail and backup it on your computer. Thank you for watching this. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.